Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Today we are going to discuss one of the important subject in mechanical engineers, that is design of machine element. Design of machine element. In this subject, our second chapter is shafts. In these shafts, one of the important problem is about solid shaft. A solid shaft is subjected to a bending moment. A solid shaft is subjected to a bending moment of 3460 kilonewtons, 3460 kilonewtons, and a torque is denoted by T is equal to 1150 kilonewton mm. Determine the diameter of the shaft. Determine diameter of the shaft given the factor of safety is 6. Factor of safety is 6, and assuming ultimate bending stress. Assuming ultimate bending stress as 690 Newton per mm square, and ultimate shear stress 516 Newton per mm square. How to design shafts using bending moment? Okay, in this bending already we know that bending moment. Okay, coming to the given data. Given data is in this question, given data T torque is equal to how much? Torque is equal to 1150 kilonewton mm converted into Newton mm. Then 1150 into 10 cube Newton mm. Okay. Next, bending moment is denoted by m. M is equal to 3460. This is also kilo Newton per Newton mm. Okay, kilo Newton mm converted into Newton mm, 3460 into 10 to the power of cube Newton mm. Okay. Next, given data is maximum bending stress. Maximum bending stress is denoted by sigma B max or sigma T max. Sigma T max is equal to formula is bending stress by ultimate bending stress or ultimate bending stress by factor of safety. That is ultimate bending stress by factor of safety In this problem, factor of safety Fs is equal to 6. Fs equal to 6. Bending stress is equal to ultimate bending stress. Ultimate bending stress sigma ultimate or sigma B is equal to 690 newtons per mm square. Next, then find out the maximum bending stress. Maximum bending stress is equal to ultimate bending stress maximum bending stress is equal to ultimate bending stress sigma B by factor of safety. Then 690 by 6. Okay, find out maximum bending stress using your calculus. It is approximately 1115 Newton per mm square. Okay, this is a maximum bending stress. Next, coming to the find out the shear stress, maximum shear stress, tau max. Maximum shear stress is denoted by tau max. Tau max is equal to same as it is tau by factor of safety. Okay, tau already is given na, tau is equal to, in our question tau is also is given, shear stress as a 516 Newton for mm square. In this tau is also given, shear stress is equal to 516 Newton for mm square. Okay, next substitute tau value. Tau value is 516 by 6. Okay, find out tau max. Tau max approximately, it is approximately 86. Okay, next after that equivalent torque equation. Already we know that, last class already we discussed equivalent torque. Equivalent torque formula is equivalent torque length torque. Equivalent torque is denoted by TE is equal to under root m square plus t square. Okay, this is a equivalent torque formula. Substitute m bending moment torque values in TE equation. Okay, already we know that T value and m value. After that substitute these two values. Okay, next after that substitute these two values and come next find out the D. Okay, this is a equivalent torque. In this equivalent torque value in the equation, we have in our question m t values. After the substitute those values in this equation. So suppose again I am writing equation, equivalent torque is equal to under root m square plus t square. Okay, m value is 3460 square plus 1150 square. Okay, this is in these are in kilonewtons per kilonewton mm. Okay, then find out equivalent value. Equivalent torque is 3646.107 kilonewton mm. Okay, after that convert Newton mm. 3646.107 into 10 to the power of cube Newton mm. Okay, after that again also it is also another formula is there, also another formula T is equal to, this is also formula tau max into pi d cube by 16. Okay, this is also equivalent torque equation. Okay, equivalent torque equation. Okay, this is equivalent torque formula. Again I am writing equivalent torque formula. T is equal to tau max into pi d cube by 16. Okay, already we find out TE. Then using this TE value find out the D. Okay, D we don't know D. In this question determine the diameter of the shaft. That's why I am finding the D value. Okay, D means diameter of the shaft. Okay, next T already we know that T is equal to, first of all simplify this equation, D cube is equal to 16 into TE, 16 into TE, and this is into. Next is left side is by divided by tau max. Okay, cube after equal cube root of. Okay, understand? Next substitute TE and tau max value. Okay, already we know that tau max. Then cube root of 16 into T. TE 3646 into 10 to the power of cube. 3646.107 into 10 to the power of cube. Okay, next by tau max. Tau max, already we know that tau max value is 86. Tau max value 86. Next pi is there na, pi is by into pi. Okay, next find out value, d value using your calculus. Okay, approximately d, diameter of the shaft d is equal to 60 mm. Okay, this is a diameter of a shaft value. Okay, first all of you see, this is the main equation. First of all, find out the mt values. Already we know that in our question, mt values. Next find out the equivalent torque value. After that substitute equivalent torque value equation. This is also one of the equation. TG is equal to tau max into pi d cube by 16. Then find out the d. Okay, this is d means diameter of the dia of shaft. This is a solid shaft, that's why only one diameter. Okay, thank you.